Hey guys, this is Dakota coming at you with Carport Central, and today I'm actually going to show you how to use our 3D estimator. First things first, we're actually going to type in our search bar, Carport Central. We're going to scroll down here to our web page and we're going to click on it. And as you see, here's our website. And if you scroll over these links right here, prefabricated buildings, it'll actually show you the different types that we offer. You got your clear span metal building, your commercial metal buildings, and your metal workshops. And if you do this through every one of these links, it will show you the differences in what we offer. And how I'm going to show you how we get to our 3D estimator. You go over here to price your building, and I want you to double click on that. Alrighty, here it is. I'm going to go here and click on North Carolina. That's where we're located at, so I'm going to use this state. You can choose from the different surfaces that you're going to have your building installed on, which is concrete, asphalt, ground, or gravel. I'm going to choose concrete for this video. And first things first, I'm going to actually show you, if you actually left click on your mouse and you swipe it to the left, it'll actually turn the screen to the left, and if you do it to the right, it'll actually take you to the right. Now to zoom in, you want to take it and you want to scroll your mouse forward and actually zoom you in. And if you want to zoom out, you just do the opposite, pull it back. Well, through here, and say you didn't like the whole concrete base and you decided to go ahead and choose with something different, and you didn't want to use concrete and you accidentally clicked on it, instead of you going up here and hitting rebuild, you can actually go over here to your base and choose the difference between concrete, asphalt, ground, or gravel. And I'm gonna go ahead and choose concrete because I'm satisfied with that. With my building type, if you go over here, we actually offer 12 by 24 wides, barns and lean-tos, 26 by 30 wides, 32 by 40 wides, RV covers, and triple wide RV covers. For this video, I'm actually going to choose a 26 by 30. And as you see, the building actually does get bigger. Alright, so what we're going to do is difference in roof styles. If you go over here, we're in vertical, and it does exactly what it's saying. It's actually running vertical up and down. I'm going to show you the main differences between the three different types of roof styles that we offer. We have a regular, an A-frame, and the vertical. With the regular, the building does run horizontally. So if we zoom this in, you'll see how the lines run this way. Well, down here with the regular, the building actually does curve over on the sides. You see how it's curved right there? With the A-frame that we offer, it is the same exact type of roof style, still runs horizontally, but instead of it curving down the sides, it actually just breaks and doesn't go nowhere near the sides. But for this video, I'm actually going to choose vertical. And we're going to zoom out. Alright. And with the building dimensions next, we're going to go over here. We're actually going to change our width. So let's say 30 foot wide. As you see, the building got bigger. Now with the length, instead of us typing the number in, we can actually go over here and drag it if we're wanting to do that. And as you'll see, the building's growing in length as we're changing it. So we're going to do actually a 30 by 40. Yeah, that's what we'll do. All right. And it's actually the same thing with the height. Right here we're at 6 foot, and as you'll see as I slide this, it actually does grow. So we're going to go to a 12 foot for this video. Alrighty. Now we're going to go over here and choose our certification and our gauge that we're looking for. You either have uncertified 14 gauge, uncertified 12 gauge, certified 14 gauge, or certified 12 gauge. I'm actually going to choose a certified 12 gauge because 12 gauge is actually a stronger steel, and also my building will be certified now. With this, we're actually going to skip vertical wall for right now, and I'll get back to that as soon as we add walls. With the utility storage, let's see. If we go over here and we add this, you'll see as it adds a 4-foot section enclosed area. What we're going to do is we're going to do a 16-foot for right now just to show you. If we go 16 foot, it's going to come out here. So now you can still pull your vehicles or your equipment under this section while you're storing your other equipment in here that you don't want nobody to see, like your shovels, anything else like that. Now if we do take this off for this video, we're going to go in here. Alrighty. Now with the walls, we're actually going to do the back end, and we're going to fully enclose it. That's a fully enclosed wall. It's all the way down. On the left side, we actually have an option with the taller buildings to do a 3-foot panel, a 6-foot panel, or a 9-foot panel. On this, I'm going to show you the differences between them. Here's the 3-foot panel, how it does come down about 3 foot. And if we go over here to the right side, alright, if we go over to the right side and we do click on 6-foot panel, you see the differences in them. And it does give you that third option, like I said, to do the 9-foot with the taller buildings. And it will come down further. For this video, I'm actually going to go ahead and fully close both sides. And you do have an option on the front or back end to actually do a open gable, extended gable, or closed. I'll show you the differences in them. Here's the gable, how it does come just over the top corner, the peak. Or we could do the extended gable and it will come down further. But for this video, I'm actually going to do a fully closed front end. And right now we do have our building fully enclosed, a 30 by 40 by 12 with certified 12 gauge steel. And as you notice, while we're building this, you'll see the price down here in the bottom left hand corner, and it's actually giving you a rough estimate on the buildings. Now we're going to go back up here to the vertical wall, and I said we'd get back to it later. As you see, the walls are actually running horizontally. But as soon as we click on vertical wall, the walls will be running up and down. So that's how we're going to keep it right now for this video. We're going to zoom out. I'm going to show you the different colors now. Alright, our roof color right now is white. And we're actually going to go ahead and change that to, let's change it to red. And then we'll go down here to the wall colors. And like I said, we do offer a wide variety of colors, all the way from burgundy to blue. I'm going to choose sandstone for the wall colors. And you can go all the way down to change it to changing your trim color also. And we're actually going to change that to black. Alright, now there is our fully enclosed building to the color that I'm looking at purchasing. As we go over here, you'll notice it says wainscot. What you can do is you click on that, and if you click on it, it's mainly for decorative purposes, making it look good. Right now it's blue. We're actually going to change that to match the trim color, and we're actually going to leave it black. There we go. Now as we go on to the doors and windows, we're actually going to zoom into the building, and now you can go inside and look and see what your building looks like from the inside. And you can go on and put your doors however you would like. We actually offer garage doors, man doors, and then you can change your window style. With the garage doors, you can go up to a 12 by 12. For this building where it's 12 foot tall, we're actually going to do a 10 footer. And we're actually going to put it right here. Then I'm going to go in here and add another one. And we're going to do a 9 by 8, a little bit smaller one. So you can pull like your smaller vehicles or equipment in here. And we're actually going to build it like that. So you're not wanting to open your garage doors to enter your building, and you're still wanting to enter the front end. We're going to put a man door. And you don't always have to choose the door options. You can actually always choose the frame out. And I'll show you the differences if we do that. Over here we got the normal man door. We're just going to do a frame out now, and we're going to put it right here. This is just an opening. It doesn't have the door in it. You're going to provide your own door with it. So if we go over here now, oh, didn't mean to change that. If we go over here now, we can actually put windows. You either got 24 by 36 or 30 by 36. You can put them up here along the walls. You can actually go over here. You actually go over here to the front. There we go. And you don't always have to put the doors at the front of the building. You can always put them on the back also, or sides, wherever you would like them. We're actually going to do this one, 10 by 8, right in the middle. And then we're gonna pick another man door. We're gonna put it on this side just in case you want to enter it from here. Alrighty. And we can keep adding some more windows if we'd like. Add some frame mounts if you're going to put your own windows in it. I'll do a 30 by 36 frame mount. Alrighty. Alright. We're going to zoom out and let you see it from the outside view. Right there's our frame out for our door. If you look down, you can see where I'm actually moving it. If you don't like the placement of the door, you can go on here on the outside and change it. With the garage doors, the same thing. If you're not really particular on where you like the doors at, you can actually go in here and change it. Select what you're looking for. There we go. There we go. We'll zoom back out and get a full aerial view of it. There's our windows and our man door, which the door we actually put in there. Here's the back side of the building with our other garage door. We're actually going to off center that one. Alright. Alright, now to the extra items, you can actually go in here and you can add extra bows, extra bracing, insulation, or extra anchors. As you'll notice, if we add extra bows, say we do 10 of them, you'll see the price continue to go up. You can add extra bracing. And then your insulation. We do offer 2 different types of insulation. We got the bubble type and the 2-inch fiberglass. I'm going to choose the fiberglass. And after you do that, it'll ask you if you just want the roof only insulated or fully insulated. So I'm going to choose fully insulated. And then with our extra anchors, let's just do 10. Okay, say this is the building that we came up with, and we're satisfied with everything that we've added. We're going to go over here to summary. And it'll actually go and give you everything that you're looking for, everything that you've done to this. And it'll tell you the down payment down here in the bottom left. It'll actually show the price as built. And you can either save this building, take a snapshot, screenshot of it, and save it to your computer, or you can go ahead and order it today. What we'll do is we'll go back and say you're not too happy with that, and you just want to rebuild it. Instead of you going up here and changing all this, you can actually go up here and start all over and hit rebuild. And they'll tell you all your current selections will be set to default, so you just go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so So we're going to go back on here. We're going to choose North Carolina. We're going to choose our concrete again. And here's our building. Say we're looking for 12 by 24. We're not going to do much to it. If we go over here and we look at chat, you can actually click on chat and you can introduce yourself. You put your phone number. You can message somebody, and you can start chatting with one of our Carport Central customer service representatives, and they'll get right in touch with you. And you can go in there, or you can give us a call and give us a feedback. Give us a thumbs up. Tell us what you like and what you don't like about it. We'd love to hear from you guys. But that is actually all for today. Well, y'all have a wonderful day.